Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out this blush from the brand Kismet, the Blossom Blush in the shade Mimosa that I just got in my June 2021 Ipsy Glam bag. And this looks like such a pretty shade. I am so curious to see how this is going to look on me. But by the way, if you have not seen my unbagging of my Ipsy Glam bag, I'll have that linked in the description down below. And this is actually a full-size product that I got in that bag, and it retails for $20. I was looking this up online and I saw that they have 4 different shades of the blush from Kismet, which I really like the brand Kismet. They're cruelty-free, vegan. It says that this blush is actually made with all natural ingredients. It's supposed to be easy to build and blend. So I'm really excited to try this out. First, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. I'm so excited to see what this color looks like. It looks very orange. Let's see. Yeah, definitely like a straight up orange, I would say, but with like a little hint of maybe peachiness. Very excited to see how this will look. So I want to really see how it builds up and just go in with a tiny bit to start. So I'm just gonna do 1 tap. Resisting, like I really struggle with applying way too much blush. So I'm really trying to hold back and just go in with a tiny bit to start. Okay, that's definitely a tiny bit. You can't really see it. I mean, there's a little bit of color to my cheek now, but let's go in with some more. Oh, so with it versus without it, it's starting to add some pretty peachiness to the cheek. It's not looking quite as orange as I thought it might. So I do feel like you can actually go in with a heavy hand because it's buildable, but it's not crazy pigmented, at least for my taste with blush. I like to wear a lot of blush. I think that's actually a pretty nice shade. So compared to how it looks in the pan, so this looks pretty bright orange, but actually on the cheek, it looks more pinky, more like a pinky orange, which I think is actually really pretty. It's a nice smooth formula. It doesn't look cakey, matte finish. I'm wanting to see more of the orange kind of on my cheek. So I feel like I'm going in with more, but somehow it's hard to go overboard with this color, which for me is not a bad thing. Okay, I may have officially gone overboard now, but still the color doesn't look super unnatural at all. It doesn't really look orange on the skin, and I think that's what I'm just so surprised by. It looks really pretty. Like it looks like a natural flush of color to the skin. Wow. Go ahead and apply it to the other cheek. I'm surprised by how much I feel like I have to apply to see the effect of it though. And maybe it is because my skin is a little bit more tan than normal, so it doesn't show up maybe quite as bright as it would on my very fair skin. But I picked up a lot of product and I'm using like a pretty heavy hand applying it to my cheek, and I feel like this is the perfect amount on this side. And it is definitely easy to blend, sits nicely on top of my foundation, a nice smooth texture. So I actually really like this. I was initially a little intimidated by the orange, but it's definitely a color that I can see myself wearing, especially in the summer, because it really does go with a tan, gives that sun-kissed glow to the skin, really warms up the complexion, which I love. Lately, I had been loving like a bronzy blush, but going in the more orange direction is kind of like the bronze blush tone that I've been loving, except for brightening it up a bit. So I'm really excited about this. Not a shade that I would have thought to try out on my own, but going out of my comfort zone and trying it out, I actually really like it, and I'm going to get great use out of this. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if you got this blush and you tried it out, what your thoughts were on it. And it says it's supposed to be a flattering shade for all skin tones. So let me know, what's your skin tone and did you find it to be flattering on yourself? But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.